Welcome to my channel, The Analyst Blueprint, where we not just learn but also perform hands on. Most beginners start their Excel journey by jumping straight onto complex formulas. That is the single biggest mistake you can make. If you don't know the basic interface of your spreadsheet, your formulas will break every single time you hit enter. So, all my videos here will be hands on, where you will be learning by doing it yourself. I will be sharing the link of the dataset in the description below, and you can download it and practice from there. The more you practice, the better you'll get at it. So the three ways to get started with Excel are: first is the Microsoft Office 365, which is based on a subscription model. You can either take the monthly or the yearly subscription, and it gives you all the constant updates. And it also has full offline capabilities. Second is the Office Perpetual, which we can also call as Own It Forever Suite, as it offers one-time purchase. The latest Office Perpetual is the Microsoft Office 2024. The only drawback would be that whenever in future Microsoft launches a new version, like in 2026 or 2027, you will not be able to access the newly added features. And the third one would be Excel for Web, which you can directly use in your browser by logging into your Microsoft Office account. Though it does not offer all the pro features, but it is best if you want to start without investing much. In this license comparison matrix, you can find the features, capabilities, and limitations of the three different ways in which you can use Excel. You can see the comparison and decide as per your requirements. Let's begin with basics of MS Excel. This here is the title bar. This is the quick access toolbar. As the name suggests, it consists of commands which you use frequently so that you can access it here by clicking directly on the quick access toolbar. This is the drop down menu. Here you can add more options. Like for those who use print often, they can add print here. You can already see the print option here. So we'll go to more commands and add options like copy, add, and you can also remove it in a similar way. I selected cut and added cut, or we can also remove, press OK. You can see these options are available here. You can directly access by clicking it here. Next comes the ribbon or the toolbar. It consists of file, home, insert, draw, page layout, formula, data, review, view, automate, developer, help. And below the quick access toolbar, you can see these different groups like clipboard, font, alignment, number, styles, cells, editing, add-ins, which are separated by these vertical lines. In clipboard, you can find different options like paste, cut, copy, format painter. In font group, you can find different font options. In alignment, you can find different alignment options. Here you can see the formula bar in which you can write different functions. Here you can see these functions available in Excel, sum, average, etc. And you can use them accordingly. Now in Excel, the columns are represented by capital alphabets A, B, C, D, and the rows are represented by numbers 1, 2, 3, 4. So the intersection of a row and a column in Excel is known as a cell. This is a cell. Here the column is A and the cell is 1, so this cell is called as A1. So here you can see the left side. This is the name box. This represents the name of the cell or the address of the cell. Here you can see we are in column E and this is row 4. So this is E4. Here you can see E4. This is the status bar here. Here you have some options like the normal layout, page layout, and break preview. Here you can use the zoom in and zoom out option. Now, an Excel file is called a workbook, and the sheet which we are working on is known as worksheet. Here you can see sheet 1, sheet 2, sheet 3. Add more sheet, just click on this plus sign, and you will add one more sheet here. You can also shuffle this sheet. Now let's add one more sheet by clicking this plus option. Here to delete the sheet, just right click and click on delete. You can also hide these sheets. You do not require them, but still you want it in your file. So here right click and click on hide. Again, we'll hide the sheet. Now to unhide the sheet, you can click on any of the sheet and right click. There is an option of unhide. It will show the list of all the sheets that are hidden. You can select the sheets from here which you wish to unhide. Press OK. Again, we'll also unhide the last sheet we have. Okay, sheet 4. Now it's done. So this was some of the basics you should know about Excel before starting and not directly jump on formulas like many beginners do. If you like the video, do like, subscribe, and don't forget to hit the bell icon. Thank you so much for watching.